In this video, I'm gonna review this F36050 telescope. Later in this video, I'm gonna show you the quality of the optical lenses. Here is the main body of the telescope. It's made out of plastic because it's very light. And this is the main lens. It's made out of glass, that's what they say. This is a filter. Oh wait, there's something else in the box. Oh, the manual. This is the guiding part. It's supposed to pinpoint the direction where you're looking at. Here is the tripod. Looks like it's made out of aluminum. It's very light and very flimsy. I had to remove this screw so I can mount the telescope on a tripod. This is the 90-degree mirror and also an extension to the eyepiece that also help with the zoom. The extension has a zoom of 1.5. It comes with two eyepieces. One is 6mm and one is 20mm. The magnification of one of the eyepieces is up to 90 times and the other eyepiece is up to 27 times. Tighten the screw to hold the eyepiece in place. Here I'm pinpointing on the roof, the one far back, so I zoomed in with a cell phone. Now I'm trying to focus to see if I can get a clear shot of that roof so you can see the quality. Without the support, it's very hard to hold the cell phone still so I can get a clear picture. Here I'm trying again. I'm aiming for that white building in the back. Here is some clearer shot. So as you can see, it's zoomed in pretty good. This is with the 6mm eyepiece lens. Check out my other videos and also share, like and subscribe. Thank you.